They are set up only. About 22 feet. That means Skip will have 4 feet of clearance on each wingtip. Big trick is, Skip is actually going to fly completely underneath that low ribbon with the aircraft, hopefully. On his first pass, which was cut. The second pass, he will attempt to cut the top ribbon while flying upside down. Well, let's watch now. Skip climbs for altitude on your off of air show right. Getting ready for the next portion of his air show demonstration. Smoke comes back on. Starting to clear up a little bit here at Show Center. Skip has created his own cloud here. And now he dumps the nose over, winds it up as he comes to the aerobatic area from our right. 3 full deflection, 4 full, 5. 5 full deflection rolls, diving in on a 45. He's getting up big to the speed. Vertical. Absolutely straight up. Let's watch here as he goes vertical. Tumbles it straight up. Hangs on right there. Stops the airplane going straight up. Now the torque of that big engine rotates the wings. Look at it, folks. It's sliding backwards now at 30, 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour backwards. And now the nose drops in. It covers a vertical dive. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Skip Stewart. That's cleared up here for just a minute out here at Show Center. Now let's watch on your off of air show right. As Skip goes down underneath the low ribbon. So let's watch. Can you keep it completely under the ribbon out here? There's 220 miles an hour. Keeps it rolling. Oh, man. Now as we watch out here off under to the left. Let's watch. The engine down and turn around. From our left, he is going to attempt to cut the upper ribbon only. He's going to be trying to finesse it. Look at that. He's down there below the tree top. Down there below the tree trunks. As he swings around out there. Hey, Skip, come on back here, buddy. All right. Wow. Okay, you see it, folks. They've got those ribbons set up out there. The orange ribbon. Skip is going to attempt to cut the orange